How to add friend in Telegram by QR code. If you have been using the Telegram app and wondering on how to add friends using the QR code, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do this. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find my profile right here. Then tap on it. Now to add friend using your QR code, here you can find your QR option, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can now find your QR code. Now to add friend, simply send this QR code to your friend and they will scan it and you can simply add them as a friend. Or the next option is you can simply get their QR code and you can add them by using their QR code. And that's it. This is how you can add friend in Telegram by the QR code. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.